Okay, welcome back to the bench. Again, we're working on the Orange Crush Jeep rock crawler. Today we're going to work on the axles. Now, axles, I have purchased SSD Diamond Pro front axle for the Injora and the rear axles by SSD for the Injora. And I believe that these housings are much better than the housings that come with the stock parts. Okay, but we're going to, you still use the same gears. Okay, it's just the housings that are actually changed, and they're not too expensive. The housings are like 44 bucks. Scale look, because they are, rather than the stock Injora look, it kind of gets rid of this crazy, which looks like, basically getting rid of this. Okay, and putting on new bearings and stuff. So, what the heck? Let's see what happens. SSD doesn't tell you anything. Well, I guess they do have some instructions inside. I just lost them for this one. Okay, so that's the front axle. These are rear. So we're going to work on the rear axle first, even though the instructions say front. So the rear axle, the front. This is the rear axle stuff here. Basically, it also comes with a metal housing cover, which is quite nice. Kind of gets rid of this plastic one even. Alright, so tell you what, they use a lot of plastic bags, so plastic bag for each part. So we're going to be putting metal into metal here. So you can use, I am going to use some Loctite, if I can find any. Blue, not red. If you don't already know that, I'm sure most of you do. Okay then, pretty straightforward on the instructions. We're just putting the tubes into the differential hub here. And there's basically 3 screws that hold that together. That's pretty good. right, there we go. And then bearings. And then you go back to the stock parts and build the actual inner part. So let's put the rear hubs together. Axles. Front, just did the rear. Pretty interesting that they give you metal hub covers. Differential covers, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, plastic bags. Holy smoke, guys. I think over a period of a month I'll throw away 1,000 of these plastic bags. Pretty crazy how many bags I use to separate all these parts. I guess that's good. You're trying to keep them organized. Just want to make sure I orient them the same way that they orient them. Oh, I keep looking at the wrong picture. Alright, so basically what we've done is we've changed the housings to metal and a different look, the diamond look. Okay, so front axle. Gear and bearings. Okay, so these bearings are for the housing. Metal cover. It's made out of brass, I do believe. It's heavier. It gives it more weight down low on the vehicle. I think that's another good reason why you buy these. And like I said, the whole set, oh my goodness, I got that bearing in there crooked, is like 44 bucks. Try to put the bearing in straight this time. Man, that's a tight fit. These bearings look different. They got roller. They're kind of like roller bearings rather than balls, it looks like. I don't know. But I'm going to slap a little bit of grease on this bearing to get it into that gun metal. It doesn't want to go. Okay, good deal. You know what I forgot to do, guys? Put grease in there. Probably gonna wish I upgraded this part also. I didn't, so we'll put them on like they are, and I think we'll get some new knuckles for them though. I'm not ready to commit to that. Alrighty then, there is the front axle. Now for the rear axle. And we need to put these on the front axle for the steering arms. Right and left. I always love that, right and left. Right and left as you're looking at it from the back, or if you're looking at it from the front. Alright, now I got the front axle on. Rear axle. So these axles, when you put them in, you could end up at the end with one going forward and one going backwards, because you can put the differential in either way. So that'll be something we'll have to look at when we get all done, because I didn't pay attention to which way I put the one in the front end. So we'll guess and hope. If it's not right, we'll be taking it apart. so there are the diamond axles. Looking good. I think they look a lot better than the stock axles. The hub's smaller, less hookup problems. So, yeah, good deal. All right, guys, these axles are pretty beefy. I like them. I like them a lot. So, there we go. We are ready for links. Not today. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.